Well, good morning, gardeners. Today, I just want to give you a quick view of my winter garden that I have going on here. I have more on the other side of the on my patio, but this is what I grow close to the house. That is easier just to come and grab when things are ready. In the morning, all this that you see right here, my cabbage, my carrots, the beets, the lettuce, everything was frosty. The potatoes were kind of frosty too. The bok choy were frozen. But as you can see, you don't need a lot of fancy containers and raised beds and none of that. If you see, I had these guys in like a 1 gallon and they are doing fantastic. That's a bok choy, and then the green bok choy, and then some lettuce over there. I got some garlic in these ones, and they're already coming up. I got more potatoes in these buckets, and carrots and radish and onions and chives and some snap peas also. But this is a setting that I built with my neighbor that gave me a hand. I came out with the design, and if you can see it, you just put some buckets, and then you can do a lot of things around it. You can cover with a shade cloth, you can cover for frost if you need to, and they have room to climb, so you can plant your cucumbers, you can plant squash, and there's not peas, like all those sweet peas that we like. They also like to climb, and they do really good. As always, keep on planting. I see you guys in the next video.